ESG ShipOwner 579. We have many ship owners facing growth of wages up north. They have like 4,500, 5,000 euros AB, some Ro-Pax companies, and then you go down southeast, southwest, completely different. Some use this flag, that flag, Italian, Spanish, Cyprus, Malta, Madeira, all European flags, UK flag, and Bahama, Bermuda. So we have many ship owners facing shortages, but did you, dear ship owner, whether it is a passenger, a ro-ro, container, bulk carrier, a chemical or bunker, offshore, all types LNGs, all types ships, think about how if there are European seafarers available, but your pool, your database is not big enough, dear ship owner, that you pay so much that there is like 300 Spanish cadets available today looking for ships to join. Why? Is it the education system? Is it that there is not enough Spanish flag? Whichever situation, is this ESG, corporate social responsible measure to have these cadets join your good company if we want to have future master chief engineers or even fleet managers, managing directors, or even CEOs of your good company, superintendents and so inspectors. Then how about the junior officers? Is there now a market for 3,700 euros so we can compete with India? That really is a huge school of huge volume of officers, and the state is helping the government. These schools and these training facilities and everything is granted and for free, and you have to fight in Europe for this, unifying these courses in Spain of basic safety, firefighting, survival, and then Latvia is just one course. But anyway, is there a possibility that European ship owners think about ESG investing in local crew, goodwill of the company long term? Like Candina is 5th generation already, so are we thinking in having huge generations know-how investing in Europe? Well, you can do that with Europeans. Why? Because we are here, that's ESG. If you're thinking that you don't want to go up north 5,000 euros AB, you don't want to go down south, let's say 3,000 euros or 2,600 AB, but you want to go in between and find the solution, contact Candina, because you don't need to have Asians, you don't need to have Americans, you can have Europeans. Then we will do another video for your ships in America or in Asia. Thank you, bye, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.